tomorrow, testimony continues for the defense of a doctor on trial for poisoning IV bags.
Prosecutors arrested their case today after connecting the symptoms for patients who were given those tainted IV bags. Fox 4's Stephen Dial was in the courtroom, joins us live from the federal courthouse in downtown Dallas. Stephen.
The main witness for the defense today was a CRNA who was also a friend of Dr. Ortiz, who had worked with him on more than 100 surgeries. She said it was a common practice for him to handle IV bags outside of the operation room, a practice that she says is not common for others in his same role. The IV tampering trial for Dr. Raynaldo Ortiz centers around what federal prosecutors call a pattern of life-threatening emergencies at Baylor Scott & White Surgicare in North Dallas. Tuesday, day 6 of the trial, the prosecution rested, but not before shaky testimony from one of their witnesses. Dr. Elizabeth Kerner was a plastic surgeon for 2 of the 4 patients who suffered medical emergencies because of tainted IVs. Dr. Kerner could not remember details about surgeries. She told the prosecution, "I do not recall," at least 6 times during the government's questioning. Paul Coggins is a former U.S. attorney for the Northern District of Texas.
Both sides prepare their witnesses. So the government certainly prepares a witness. Sometimes those witnesses misfire. It's generally not fatal if the government's got documents and they can use documents to refresh someone's recollections.
The procedures should have been simple according to expert testimony, but patients' blood pressure skyrocketed and tanked, causing cardiac dysfunction and foaming of the mouth. The youngest patient, an 18-year-old, drowned in his own fluid and became pulseless. After the prosecution rested, the defense called 3 witnesses, 2 from the Dallas Police Department, who talked about the examination and fingerprinting of the IV bags that were allegedly tampered with. The final witness, Joe Scabo, a certified registered nurse anesthetist, also known as a CRNA. Scabo says she worked with Ortiz for more than a decade, assisting in hundreds of surgeries with him. Hospital surveillance video was shown in court, showing Ortiz handling IV bags. The object that looks like a fridge is a warmer for the bags. Ortiz's attorney asked Scabo if it was common for an anesthesiologist to remove IV bags from the surgery room. The witness said no, it's not common. She did say it was a common practice for Ortiz. Scabo said Ortiz was also helping to clean operation rooms, something that was also uncommon for anesthesiologists. The witness said her testimony was as a witness and friend of Ortiz. During cross-examination, the prosecution asked if she would be concerned to hear that a bag Ortiz handled was linked to a patient being hurt. The witness said yes. Asked what her reaction would be to hearing 3 bags connected to Ortiz resulted in patients being hurt, she replied saying she would be, quote, very concerned and would want an investigation. Now the trial picks back up tomorrow morning. The defense is expected to call at least 5 more witnesses. We still do not know if Dr. Ortiz will testify. That was something the judge asked before we went home, before they went home for the day. Again, 5 witnesses, possible closing arguments on Thursday.